Some guys are just lucky to be born with all the testosterone, giving them height, size in certain appendages, and a deeper voice. These things are decided at birth, and it sucks because women love them and there's nothing you could do to change them. Well, that's true for 2 out of these 3 things, and actually there's surgery for the other, so allow me to reiterate. There's nothing you can do for 2 out of these 3 things that doesn't require extensive and risky surgery, but when it comes to voice, there are plenty of options. In this video, I'm going to go over both the neuropsychological aspects and the psychological aspects that affect your voice, and finally, some methods of improving your voice to make it more attractive to women in general. Hey guys, it's Dallas here, and if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps out the channel a lot as I put a lot of work into these videos. And if you have any other tips that helped improve your voice, please leave it in the comments. You never know, it could help save someone else's romantic life. In a 2010 study, researchers found that men who spoke with a deeper pitch were often perceived as more attractive and dominant. Participants were recorded speaking, and then these recordings were rated by the opposite sex. The results? Deeper tones consistently scored higher in terms of attraction and perceived leadership qualities. With that being said, what can you do to make your voice deeper? First up, let's hit the brainy stuff. Your mental state isn't just about mood, it directly influences your voice. Neurologist Dr. Frank A. Rousseau points out that stress, joy, and confidence can change how your voice sounds, affecting its pitch and tone. Confidence, for example, is not just a feel-good factor, it medically enhances your voice. Higher confidence is linked to increased serotonin, which relaxes your vocal cords and enriches your tone. Fun fact, psychologists have actually found that simply imagining speaking confidently can improve your voice's attractiveness. Now, let's talk about the vocal cords and lungs. The thickness and length of your vocal cords play a huge role in how deep or high your voice is. Men typically have longer, thicker vocal cords, which is why they usually have deeper voices than women. You can train your vocal cords just like any other muscle in your body. Proper vocal exercises can actually thicken your vocal cords, giving you that deep, sultry tone that can be pretty captivating.
Hello. Do you work here?
Guilty. Can I help you find something?
Paula Fox?
It's a good choice.
I feel weirdly validated.
Follow me.
And don't forget about breathing. Your lungs and how you use them are crucial. Deep diaphragmatic breathing not only helps with stress, but supports a stronger, more stable voice. Now, let's get into practical stuff. How do you make your voice more attractive? What are some methods? First, it's about practice. Read out loud, sing, engage in conversation. Try out different scenarios because as we discussed earlier, mood also plays a big factor. The more you use your voice in more diverse settings, the better you'll get at controlling it. Vary your pitch and volume to keep things interesting. Dr. Helen Fisher actually suggests that varying your vocal pitch can be a signal of interest and make you more engaging in conversations. In other words, showing expression in your voice can be seen as attractive.
Jones, question me again with your last breath.
Look around. Look what's happened here. Do you honestly think anything scares me now? What do I have to lose? This moronic conflict makes you all look so stupid!
I like this one. You may continue breathing, Jones.
Try lowering your pitch at the end of sentences or subtly changing the volume as you talk. It's like adding spice to your words. It keeps everyone eager to listen. The final thing that I want to add, and this is my personal take on voice and improving its attraction, is vibration control. If you can isolate the vibration of your throat from your voice, you can control how much throat vibration you have when you talk, allowing you to add a subtle rasp to your voice when you speak. I learned this through trying out a technique from beatboxing called the throat bass, but I have a trick for you guys if you don't know how to do this. Start by humming and gradually make the hum deeper until you get to a point where it feels like you're going to cough. Once you can do this, try and start from the point where you feel like you're going to cough without having to build up. This will train you to have conscious control over the vibration at will, allowing you to accurately add a small amount to your voice when you speak. Now, that's it for my guide on how to improve your voice. These things will take practice to get the hang of, especially in regards to exercise and throat vibration, but that's okay because as I always say, practice does make perfect, so don't get upset if things don't work out the first time around, and until next time, peace.